Well, hello there, everyone, and welcome back to UTubeFoundry. I'm Richard. Did you know that YouTube provides a tool that helps you remove music from a video when there's a copyright claim on that music? This is going to happen to you from time to time. It's not common, but sometimes you may add music that you think is copyright free, and it turns out it's not, as this happened to me in the past. Or you may film something in public that has music playing in the background to which a copyright claim is asserted. So YouTube provides you a really nice set of tools to help resolve this issue. So let's go take a quick look at them. When I go into the channel content area of Studio and I where it lists all my video content, up above here, there's a filter. When I click on this arrow here, it gives me different filters I can use. I can filter the videos by age restriction, brand, description, whatever. But in this case, I want to filter them by copyright to see if there's any copyright issues. And when I click on this, it tells me there is one video that has a copyright issue associated with it. And I want to know more about what that copyright issue is. So all I have to do is go over to the right under restrictions, click on copyright. It says see details. And when I click on that, it's going to give me the details. So this channel claim, the copyright claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. Now that's important. It's not a copyright strike, okay? So if you get 3 strikes, of course, they can cancel your channel. This is just a fact. They're just telling you a claim has been asserted. Now, it doesn't affect the visibility. If you choose to monetize your video, you'll share ad revenue with the relevant artist or claimant. I chose not to monetize this video. This happens to be just a private video I made of my daughter riding horses. But it turns out that in the background, playing in the background speakers of this arena was a song by Mindy McCready, A Girl's Gotta Do What a Girl's Gotta Do. So it's eligible for revenue sharing, and I looked at it. I can look at the details, and it'll tell me more about the song, right? And one of the options I can do here is I can take action. It's going to give me 4 actions I can take. I can either erase the song, replace the song, trim out the segment, or dispute it. A dispute is something that many people will choose to do, particularly if they want to claim that it's fair use of the music. Maybe you just didn't use it very long. It was just in the background. You might claim fair use on this. I chose to try to keep copyrighted music out of my videos altogether. Now, if you do have some copyright music there, you can perhaps trim out the segment that has the offending music in it. And if you can do that without affecting the integrity of your video, that's not a bad option. Another option is to pick a copyright-free audio from YouTube Audio Library to replace the claimed audio and resolve the claim. That can sometimes be done, and they can use AI to do that. The 4th option up here is to erase the song from your video altogether. Now, I chose this option for many videos. When I first got monetized, I had about 12 videos that had music in them that I thought was copyright free. Turns out it wasn't. And so what I did is I tried to erase the music using this tool. When you click on it, it's going to give you an option. And when you continue, you have 2 options. You can either mute the segments that have the claim in it, and that could be a problem if you've got other sounds that you want to be showing, narration that you want to appear, or you can actually try to erase the song. In this case, I'm not able to erase the song from this video, but in some cases you're able to, and if you can, the AI that is embedded in YouTube can actually remove that song, that music from the video without affecting the other sounds. That worked for about 12 or 10 of the 12 videos that were identified as having problems for me. The other 2 videos that it didn't work for, I just shut those down and decided not to make those public anymore. But this is a really great tool. It's a way to remove music without having to re-record your entire video. So it's a great tool that's made available to us from YouTube. Well, I hope you liked that video. I hope that was helpful to you. Look, if you liked the video, click the like button down below. Also, we'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. And if you do, hit that notification bell so that when we issue new videos, you'll be sure to be notified of those videos coming out. In the meantime, take care, have fun on YouTube, and we'll see you real soon.